So now we are talking about the features of business environment. These are the most significant features of business environment. Like the first point is dynamic. Yes, business environment is dynamic in nature because we can't predict that the changes will remain the same or it will change. It can change frequently, or maybe that it will be same for the particular time period. So the environment is definitely dynamic because we all knows that if we talk about some factors like social factors, demographical factors, then these are those kind of factors which changes according to the time. So business environment is completely a dynamic environment. Now the second is complex. Yes, it is quite difficult to understand. You can't predict. The third point is also associated with the same. Why it is uncertain? Because it is complex in nature. For example, if you want to find out the strength, weakness, opportunities and threat of the company, then you have to analyze the whole environment first, and then after analyzing you can scan the environment. Then you will be able to find out that what is the strength and weakness of the company and which kind of opportunities and threat can arise in the future. So this is complex in nature. Now the third is uncertain. This is totally uncertain because we can't predict that what would be happen in future. We can make some planning for the business environment for our organization, but we can't predict and we can't take the guarantee. We can't say that what would be happen in upcoming time period. For example, corona has been the best example of this situation. It has changed the whole scenario of business environment, so we can't predict the situation in advance. Now the next is multifaceted because it is divided into two categories, internal and external. There are so many different factors in internal environment and so many factors which are existing into the external environment. For example, political, economic, social, legal, technological. So we can say that it has so many different faces. Business environment is not limited up to a single factor. It has so many different faces. It is associated with different parties, so it has different impact related to the different factors, right? Next is far reaching impact. Yes, each and every factor is responsible for leaving a particular impact on business, but the degree of those impact can be so higher, so we can say that the impact can be far reaching. It is relative in nature because all these factors are associated with each other, like demographical factors and social factors. They both are associated with each other. If the changes will arise in social factors, automatically you can see the changes in demographical factors also. Same as the economic factors and political factors are also related with each other. So we can say that business environment is completely a dynamic environment in which we can't predict the future, but yes, we can make some suitable strategies to prevent from the upcoming future threats.